Hi guys, life has been lifing, so you know what we finna do. Some makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera because yeah, my brows take a little bit because you can see this one is always thicker than this one. And sometimes they don't be sisters, they be not even twins, they just be there. Be right back. Okay, so now that we got the brows looking accurate as much as we're gonna get them with my Virgo self. Anyway, so let's get back to why life has been lifing. Okay, life has been lifing for a couple of reasons, and you know I'm not gonna get too personal, but life has been lifing because let's just say I do too much. Not as far as like doing the most. I'm saying as far as just not changing within myself, just not changing within myself. That's really just the gist. Like, for example, for number one, I literally have been running a brand for almost 4 years, and I do good for 6 months and I stop, and then I think to myself, oh, why has my brand not been number one in Sephora yet? That's what I'm talking about. But y'all, I'm gonna try to speed this video up, so we finna go in with some color. So today I'm doing a basic nude just so y'all can get to know me a little bit. And if you got any questions, put it in the comments. Today we're going to use the Hattie eyeshadow palette. It's named after my granny. She passed last year on February 13th. This palette will be back available on the 15th of October. That's when I'm reopening my brand and keeping it open. This is the deepest brown that's in the palette, so I'm just going to pat my eye with that and I'll be back. Just so y'all can see that I'm using my own palette. You know, one thing I'm really just like, don't you see like when people get canceled and stuff like that, like they always bring up some weird shit that you never remembered you even said? I know I done said some bullshit. Not racist, but I know I done said some bullshit. But let me pause. I also don't believe in cancel culture because you can never cancel Kanye for me. Sorry, I'm not his woman. I wasn't in a relationship. I'm talking about the music. Now I'm about to go in with my black. My black and all of my palettes is like black. You only need to tap a few times to get that pigment on there. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I just tapped it a few times. Play with your mama. Now, a little background. I started doing makeup in 2015, at the end of 2015, right before I went to college for cosmetology school. Your girl got her cosmetology license. Yes. Now it's time to pick a shimmer color to go in the inner eyelid. I don't know all the terminology. I do makeup the way I want to do my makeup for my face. You do your makeup the way you want to do your makeup for your face. Y'all let me know if y'all like me for me to talk, or would you like for music to play, or would you like a voiceover? Let me know. Okay, now I'm gonna get ready to put some lashes on. I just dried the glue. Now we're gonna do this face. Or unless y'all want me to just skip that, well, you know what? I'm talking to y'all in the future self. I'm gonna skip that, and then we're gonna come back, and then we'll do a makeup routine just for the face, so y'all can get together on that face routine. And y'all, let me stop saying purr. Let me stop, please. The girls is girly. See, I'm on TikTok too much. Let me just turn this into some good old money. Let me stop playing. Because the talent too real. Okay, y'all, I know I look like something out The Walking Dead, but this is how I like my foundation. Now, watch how I turn it up. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, this is the completed look. You see how I put color back into my face and I don't look like a scary ghost. Even though this light is not giving what it needs to give. But that's why I'm going to post pictures, because the pictures going to tell it all. Anyway, I hate videos. I think, sometimes videos do better for people and then pictures do better for people. But anyway, I love y'all, and life go forever begin and end, and life gonna be lifing, and life is gonna be lifing. But let me end y'all with a scripture. 1 second. 1, let's start off. I'm not a Bible thumper because I don't live my life to the T, but I know there's a higher power and it's higher than me. Thank you. A greedy man stirs up dissension, but he who trusts in the Lord will prosper. Proverbs 28 and 25. Take that as you will. Good night.